The Pavilion House is a modern Indian dwelling that seamlessly blends with its natural surroundings and caters to recreational pursuits. The objective was to construct a contemporary abode adjacent to the current one, complete with an expansive garden encompassing it from all sides. The home was built with a vibrant, youthful Indian house that harmonized with the natural environment, providing ample space for recreational activities. The ingenious concept involved a fluid and open arrangement, erasing the distinctions between interconnected areas, thereby enabling the spaces to function as a cohesive communal zone when desired. The plot, spanning approximately 25,000 sq ft, consisted of a flat, elongated shape aligned in a north-south direction. On the southernmost corner of the plot lied the owner's existing house, while the northern area was occupied by a large garden. The ground floor was designed as an open-plan layout, allowing for seamless transitions between interconnected spaces. The intention was to create a large communal area when required, facilitating community gatherings and events. The entrance porch and reception area of the new house are shared with the existing house deliberately through an axial wall that connects both units. The fragmental wall, constructed using ingenious limestone and strategically placed openings, serves as a transitional element between the living, drawing, and common lobby areas. The glass pavilion, designed to be a peaceful recreational space within the house, is elevated above the pool and serves as the ultimate destination for all movement routes on the ground floor.